So I registered this domain a couple of days ago. This is the website, which I just made today. So I grab that. It is not in the search engines at all. Nor is it and it's not in the AIs at all. It's not in the AIs. Okay, so it read the website. Well, maybe it's in there because I just did something to get it in there and I didn't think it'd be in there that fast. So Bing. Okay, that's not me, that's somebody else. That's the .com. I've got the .io. Okay, so we can see it's not in there. What about? So we can see it's not in there. So let's try Copilot. Okay, so it's just guessing it from the name. So what about X? Nothing. Grok. I don't know what that is, but it's not me. Now the full path. Okay, it's found everything else. So what I'm showing you here is on this time and date, this brand does not exist in search or AIs. Let's try Gemini. Minecraft server. So okay, it's definitely not in there. Let's try Perplexity. What does that come up with? Coaching Institute. Cool. That's not us. Now put in the path, the full URL. So there's nothing. I apologize, I don't have any specific information about RankBridge.io. Okay, so it's the 20th today. and I'm showing you that our brand, this is a brand new brand and it's not anywhere. I'll be back. Okay, so we are back. What is the time and date today?
Today is November 25th, 2024.
Cool, so it's been 5 days. So I'm going to go through the same process I did 5 days ago. Okay, so it's indexed, and you can see we've made a bunch of video content. So I'll grab that. Now let's look in ChatGPT. There you go. Or I can do it again without, I'll do that again without the full path. So look at that. Designed to enhance brand visibility across traditional search and modern AI platforms. It offers features such as AI integration, global reach, performance tracking, and time-efficient automated processes. Boom. What about Bing? So it finally got indexed in Bing. It took forever. I'll just do it without the .io. Boom. What about Copilot? How good is this? Is a platform that focuses on enhancing your brand's visibility across traditional search engines and modern AI-driven platforms in 5 days. What about Grok? Nope. Not in Grok as yet. It was the other day. So as Grok is intermittent, so the more work we do, the more permanent it will become in Grok. Let's try that. I have to come back to this one later. What about Gemini? No. What about Perplexity? Just the brand. Wow. Sources. RankBridge. You'll bridge your success across AI search. RankBridge.io. Bridge your success across search and AI. RankBridge IO is a platform focused on enhancing brand visibility across both traditional search engines and modern AI platforms. It provides services such as actionable SEO data, blah, blah, blah. So it's got videos and it's got all my content here. Very, very cool. How does RankBridge IO integrate? Now, these are really important to pay close attention to. Embedding professional excellence, AI-driven search results, providing actionable strategies, absolutely. So, are you kidding me? Look at this. A brand new brand, my brand. I can just tell people to go and put my brand into any AI, and this is the sort of content the AIs itself will give you. RankBridge. RankBridge is an innovative platform that aims to elevate brands and professionals in AI-driven searches and traditional search engines. Launched in 2024, RankBridge IO offers a unique approach to digital marketing by embedding clients' expertise and achievements directly into the AI systems, which is what I'm reading out now. Key features: AI integration. RankBridge specializes in optimizing presence in AI-generated search results, ensuring that when decision makers consult AI assistants, the client's name appears as a top recommendation. Now, this is the AI telling me this about my brand. In 5 days. Target audience. The platform caters to various professionals, including corporate lawyers, wealth strategists, health fund managers, luxury real estate agents, and plastic surgeons, who are all high-ticket items. Imagine how much any of these people would pay to have what I have right here. Who's the top corporate lawyer in New York? Their brand will come up. How much is that worth? How much does it cost them to acquire a new client? Services, benefits, and all these related. We've got this amazing branding in graphics and videos on the right. These related questions are really important. The AI comes up with these. Now I know exactly what to optimize, what the next step of optimization is, and that is optimizing content for these terms, so it will provide exactly the information I want when these related terms are presented. I haven't even seen these before. What specific AI platforms does RankBridge optimize for? What does it say? Beautiful. What industries does RankBridge primarily serve? Wow. And of course, it works for local content even faster and easier. So now you can see how easy it is to get a brand using our methods and software into the AIs. Let me show you a video and pay particular attention to the end of the video.
In a world where AI is the gatekeeper to opportunity, one platform ensures you are the answer to every high-value question. Imagine a potential client asking the leading AI platforms, who is the top wealth strategist for high-net-worth portfolios? Within moments, your name appears, undeniable, unmatched, unforgettable. This is the power of RankBridge. We embed your expertise, achievements, and legacy into the very fabric of AI systems. When decision makers ask, AI answers with your name, your story, your success. From hedge fund managers to luxury real estate agents, from high-end surgeons to wealth strategists, RankBridge positions you as the undeniable authority in your field. In a world where AI speaks, make sure it speaks about you. RankBridge, where AI meets your ambition. Are you ready to claim your place at the top? Visit RankBridge today. You know where to find us. Just type RankBridge in any AI.
If you're into sales, you know the power of client testimonials on your websites. They dramatically increase conversion. Conversions are increased dramatically when you have credible, verifiable client testimonials on your sales page. You know what's better than client testimonials? Completely unbiased, 150 IQ AIs giving you that feedback. AIs are unbiased. When decision makers search, when When decision makers search an AI, find your brand, and read the content supplied by the AI, that is as credible as it gets, and your conversions will go through the roof, particularly compared to people who are not in there. I've got one question. How many opportunities does this open for you? So let's go back here. You are familiar with my new RankBridge product. How much would be reasonable to charge a So here's the prompt. How much would be reasonable to charge a corporate lawyer in New York to have his name come up when searching any AI for corporate lawyer New York? To have his or her name appear in all the AI platforms, they would need to pay a setup or engagement fee plus a monthly fee. Boom. They generally pay between $2,500 and $10,000 monthly for SEO, setup engagement fee, one-time fee ranging from $5,000 to $10,000. This covers the initial assessments, content creation, and integration across AI platforms. Monthly fee, ongoing services, price between $2,500 and $7,500 per month. Should there be an additional exclusivity fee? Yes, so here's the updated prices. So you can add another 10 to 20% on top of that for exclusivity for that term. Starting to get the idea how powerful this product is.